Number 1. Ensure your collapsible water dam kit includes its instructions, pair of end caps, and the correct length of dam. Number 2. Lay out the dam, allowing it to return to its normal shape. This helps release kinks and other creases that may have occurred during its delivery. Number 3. Clean the shower's edge with standard grade rubbing alcohol. Ensure that the surface is dust-free and chemically sanitized. This step is essential for creating a strong and durable bond between the shower's surface and the dam's adhesive. When installing into a shower with a curved edge. Number 1. Measure and mark the halfway point of the collapsible water dam and the shower's opening. Number 2. Adding a temporary guide or line in the stall will help ensure a straight install. For showers with a runoff design, this runoff feature offers a built-in line to follow. Just position the inside edge of the dam along the crown of this ridge for best results. Number 3. At its halfway mark, cut and peel back approximately 4 inches of the dam's red adhesive cover strip, exposing the dam's adhesive in one direction. Number 4. Attach this section of the dam to the stall. Stretching the dam with a light pull towards one wall, slowly remove the cover strip. Number 5. Confirm the dam's alignment before pressing firmly into place until dam is in a vertical position on the wall. Number 6. Continue attaching the dam in equal distance up each wall for a proper fit and finish. Cut away any dam if needed to even up the length the dam travels up each wall. Number 7. To permanently install finish end caps, apply a silicone adhesive caulking to the recess on the rear of the cap facing the shower wall. Also, apply caulking to the socket into the cap that fits into the dam to seal watertight. Number 8. Wipe clean excess caulking with rag and alcohol. Number 9. Use masking tape and apply light pressure to temporarily hold the cap in place while the caulking dries.